Hello everyone. In this video, we will have a quick view into the working of Saral TDS for your eTDS written filing purpose. To start with, go to File, New to create a new file for the year for your written filing purpose. On creation of the new file, go to Masters, Deductor Master, where the deductor information has to be entered. In this screen, all the gray fields are mandatory and white fields are optional to be entered. That the information like TAN financial year, enter and save the information. After saving, the option settings will be enabled, wherein default enabled options are mandatory to be kept in. Enable the other required and continue. For doing your employees TDS returns filing, go to Masters, Employee Master and enter the employee informations. Here, the PAN of the employee has to be verified with the options given. And the employment duration of the employee has to be entered and saved. Similarly, for doing the TDS return filing of your non-salaried, NRIs or TCS group, go to Deductee Master under Masters and enter the vendor informations. Here also the vendor PAN can be verified with the options provided under Verify PAN option. Next, if the vendor is a transporter, enable the shown option and continue. To do the e-return of salaried employees, go to Form 24Q, select the particular quarter and the deduction master and enter the relevant deduction information, that is the TDS deduction from the employee's salary. After the deduction details are entered, next in the particular column, enter the challan details, that is the tax paid to the bank. Once this information is entered, click on link details to link this challan to the concerned deduction of the employee or the employees. Save these informations and continue. Next, for the fourth quarter, click on View eTDS format, wherein the complete salary details of the whole year for the respective employees has to be entered, which will be submitted with your fourth quarter's written filing. Likewise, in the quarter selected, go to the eTDS return, wherein the TDS return file can be generated. Before that, the challan input file has to be downloaded by the given option. On downloading the CSI file, go to the eTDS return filing creation option, that is e-return. Here the checklist will be verified and it will be shown as data ready for your e-return purpose, that is you can continue for generating your e-return. On validation, if any error is found, identify the particular error that has been generated. If not, view the line number, go to the identify error option and enter the line number to view where exactly the error has occurred. Once it is identified, rectify the error and revalidate until you get file validated successfully. On receiving this information, your e-return is successfully created and the folder will be shown with the files for e-return submission. After e-return is submitted, enter the acknowledgement received under the acknowledgement number screen. And after 3 successful working days, check the status of the return file under return status. Here, the acceptance or the rejection of the return can be viewed. Likewise, the Form 24Q return can be filed. Next, if it is Form 26, 27 or 27EQ, go to the particular form, select the particular quarter and the deduction and enter the relevant deductions. In case of any no PAN available case, that is a 20% deduction or lower deduction or no deduction, select the respective remarks after the entry of the deductions and the certificate number in case of 197 certificate given. Then similar to 24Q, enter the challan details that is being paid and then link it to the respective deduction. Here to be noted is now the challan payment is section independent and code independent. That is, you don't have to pay it with respect to the section or the code of the deduction. After this entry, select on data quality report wherein a Excel file will be generated with respect to the data entered and it will be validated against any errors available in the details. Any detail shown up in red is to be rectified before proceeding ahead for your e-return filing. After then, click on eTDS return and generate the FVU file, that is a validated file for your eTDS return filing purpose. On receiving file validated successfully, the file has to be taken to the TinFC or it can be uploaded online via Saral TDS using the option online upload. The acknowledgement available has to be entered in the acknowledgement number screen and the return status has to be checked after 3 working days under the return status. Now, after these returns are filed, now the form 16 or the 16A has to be generated from the traces option given. Request from the traces account option provided by giving the login credentials of your traces account and then download after 24 hours of your request. The request will be auto taken from the software on click of request button. Once the form 16 or 16A file is available in the zip format, the same can be read into the particular screen shown. Here the zip file has to be read and on reading the form 16 or the 16A can be generated and the form 16 can be merged with the salary details given in the fourth quarter information. Similarly, PAN can be verified in bulk, 197 certificate can be validated and the challan can be verified in bulk using the traces account options. In this way, Saral TDS will help the user for doing your eTDS return filing purpose. Thank you.